How to DJ with Spotify, a step-by-step guide. Eston Loyford YouTube channel presents How to DJ with Spotify, a step-by-step guide. Ready to rock the party without breaking the bank? Learning how to DJ with Spotify brings the beats to your fingertips, making you the life of the party. No need for fancy gear, just your Spotify Premium account and a love for music. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to DJ with Spotify and create memorable mixes for any occasion. Spotify Premium and playlists. The journey begins with Spotify Premium. Bid farewell to those pesky ads and enjoy higher quality music at 320 kilobits per second. But wait, there's more. Let's build the foundation of your mixes, playlists. Spotify Premium. Upgrade to Spotify Premium for uninterrupted music and superior sound quality. Choose a package that suits your needs and start your DJing adventure. Creating playlists. Craft diverse playlists for various genres and occasions. Give each playlist a unique name, reflecting the vibe you want to create. Populating playlists. It's time to fill those playlists with your favorite tunes. Let's dive into the treasure trove of Spotify's music library. Adding songs to playlists. Use Spotify's search function to find and add tracks you love. Follow artists and discover new music that aligns with your taste. Sharing playlists. Connect with friends' accounts to discover shared musical interests. Spice up your playlists with a diverse range of tracks for every mood. Connecting to audio system. Now that your playlists are set, it's time to amplify the beats. Let's connect Spotify to your audio system. Connecting to audio system. Utilize RCA cables or headphone jacks to link your computer to your speakers. Ensure high-quality sound output for a seamless party experience. Stable internet connection. The rhythm flows through streaming, so ensure your internet connection is rock solid. Checking internet connection. Strong Wi-Fi or wired connections are essential. Don't let a weak signal interrupt your DJ sets. Stay connected for a seamless mix. Spotify DJ mode. Time to dive into Spotify DJ mode. While it's not as intricate as professional gear, it brings life to your mixes. Spotify DJ mode offers crossfade capabilities. Seamlessly blend songs without gaps. Customize crossfade settings to your liking. Equalizer settings. Adjust the equalizer to optimize sound. Tweak the low, mid, and treble to create a personalized sonic experience. Group sessions. Ready to take it up a notch? Spotify's group session feature lets you DJ with friends. Let's explore. Share playlists with friends and start a group session. Collaboratively curate the music, creating a dynamic party playlist. Compatible DJ software. If you're looking for more control, compatible DJ software is your ticket to advanced mixing techniques. Explore DJ software like rekordbox, Serato DJ Pro, and Traktor DJ. These platforms integrate Spotify, enhancing your mixing experience. Music converter. For ultimate flexibility, consider using a music converter to bring Spotify tracks into any setup. Convert Spotify tracks with third-party software, expanding your DJing options. Explore legal alternatives like DJ pools for copyright-safe mixes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to DJ with Spotify. Whether it's casual parties or family events, you've got the tools to keep the beats flowing. Remember, it's all about the music and the energy you bring to the dance floor. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for future updates. Don't miss out on our next video. Subscribe now and keep the party going with more DJing tips and tricks. Subscribe.